Hello students. Last class I have explained question number first, that is multiplication of monomial to monomial. Now again here also multiplication of monomial to monomial, but some application based question is given. Just you see here, find area of the rectangle whose length is this one and breadth is this one, which length is also variable is given and breadth is also given in variable only. Here two types of variable are given, a and b, but power is different, and here one number is also there, coefficient, that is called coefficient, and here in breadth also 9a b square. It's the same I have written in the diagram also. This one is rectangle, length is this one and breadth is this one. So we have to find area of the rectangle. So in area of the rectangle formula you have to write on length into breadth. Area of rectangle is equal to length multiply breadth, L into B. So in place of length you have to put here 12a cube b square, 12a power 3 b power 2 multiply. Next one, in place of breadth we have to put 9a b square. So just you put here 9a b square. Now you have to arrange number to number and variable, same variable you have to arrange here 12 into 9 and here a power 3 into a power 1. Nothing written means 1. Next one b power 2 and here b power 2. So we will add here 12 9 108. We have to write down here 108 and a power 1 plus 3, it will come a power 4 and b power 4. So final answer is 108 a power 4 b power 4. Next one, in question third, we have to multiply again monomial to monomial again as here, but here just some different types of monomial are given, higher power is given. So we will add both the power if variable is same, and we have to multiply 4 4s are 16 and here minus sign is given, so minus 16, and power should be add here power y power 3 and y power 7. So we will add both the power, it will come y power 10. So final answer is minus 16 into y power 10. Next one, minus 3 and minus 5 is given. So we multiply minus 3 into minus 5, it will come minus minus plus and 3 5s are 15. So answer is 15 and m power 2 and here m power 1. So we will add m power 3 will come. Next one, here n power 1 and n power 2 is given. So it will come again n power 3. So final answer is 15 m cube n cube. Next one, here 3 monomial are given. So we will multiply here 3 monomial. Same number to number we have to multiply 6 and 5 and 7. All will 3 multiply. 6 5s are 30. 30 7s are 21. So it will come minus 21. Matlab means 210. And then a into a means a square will come. Next b into b, b square will come. So final answer is minus 210 upon a square b square. Okay. Next one, fourth part. Just you see here, just write down number as it is, minus 1 upon 4 into 12 into minus 2, and then write down variable a square, sorry a cube into a power 4. A power 4. Now here fraction is given, so we can cancel out here 4 3s are 12 and then minus minus will get plus, 3 2s are 6, 6 will come, and then we have to add the power, a power 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 4 8. So final answer is 6 a power 8. Final answer this one. Okay. Next means if 3 monomial are given or 4 monomial are given, we have to follow same process whatever we have did in the first process. Means monomial 1 and 2 both are multiplied, means number to number, and then if variable are same then you have to add the power if multiplication is there. Same here we have to follow in the 3 monomial, and if 4 monomial are also given sometimes, so you will follow same process. Okay, that's all.